Welcome to Camp in a Box. When you get your box, you will find inside a packet with some parent leader information. As well as inside here will be your patch, a sample of the popcorn that the council will be selling this fall, and some other pertinent information about COVID-19 and being safe during this time period. So you want to make sure you read this first. Then in your box, you're going to find several different activities individually packaged. One of the activities will allow you to make a picture frame that you can take a picture of your group or yourself and hang it up to show that you did the Camp in the Box. This is a great little activity as well as an opportunity to make your own face mask, showing how to instantly make a face mask out of a bandana. And if you keep the little loop-de-loops in your uniform pocket, then when you're wearing your neckerchief during scouting events, you will always be able to have a mask on hand. Some of the activities in the box include Indian lore. You will learn about the Potawatomi Indians that lived in northern Indiana and southern Michigan and are still there today. There's a video that goes along with this, as well as two activities. One making a basket weaving project and the other making a dream catcher. You will also cover Leave No Trace and Outdoor Code. Very important principles to learn being a part of Scouts and learning about how to be safe in the outdoors. Another activity is going to be Out of This World. This is a STEM activity, and this one includes learning about aerodynamics, making some paper airplanes, learning about boats, building a couple boats and testing them out, and making a car powered by a balloon. All of which then you can add to the other activities like stargazing to finish up your STEM activity and earn that badge. Physical fitness. Physical fitness is important no matter where and what we're involved in. And you will learn about the importance of physical fitness in scouting, as well as doing some outdoor activities with physical fitness involved. Outdoor cooking. We always have to eat as campers, so you'll find out the great ways that you can cook outdoors and make some fun things. And we even include some popcorn, so you can pop some popcorn out on your outdoor grill or campfire. Another activity is nature study. You will learn about the different animals and birds and wildlife and plants that live around our neighborhoods. And then you'll be able to go out on a nature scavenger hunt. And shooting sports. Everybody loves to shoot BB guns, archery, and slingshots, but we need to learn to do those safely. So in this package, you will learn about the safe practices that Cub Scouts can do those activities in, as well as do a great fun activity so that you can practice your aiming at home with a dart shooter. Now the Webelos will have some extra activities involved in theirs that include part of the nature study and the outdoor code in their packet. So this will be something for the Webelos only. We do have another fun little craft puzzle that you can put together. This is a fun little kit that you put together, and then it's a puzzle on how to move the bees from one side to the other. Really fun stuff. And then a wood craft. And this one includes a video on how to make a wooden box. This is a fun little craft that you could do at home. It does require some simple tools that you should have in your home, and it's even emblazed with a wonderful emblem of our Camp in a Box program this year. And last but not least is a rocket. Now, at the end of the program in July and August, depending on where you live, we will be having a shooting sports day. And that shooting sports day will allow you to come and shoot your BBs, shoot your archery, shoot your slingshots, to finish off those pin requirements that you've learned about. But you will also be able to bring your rockets that you have made and shoot those off as well. So that'll be a really fun time for everyone to be able to enjoy and get to shoot off their rockets. Now, sometime in July, we will be doing a virtual campfire where we'll do sing-alongs and skits, and we want everyone to stream in and join in so that you can enjoy what a fun campfire program can be for Cub Scouts. So we look forward to seeing you then, and we look forward to having a great program and a great camp in a box. And be safe and happy scouting.